with viruses and bacteria still on everyone's mind thanks to COVID, the idea of an air purifier is even more popular than it was before. This is actually a model from Clorox, and it boasts of being able to capture 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. Of course, there's an asterisk on that. Let's see what that says. Reduction of airborne viruses and bacteria as it passes through the air HEPA. So they're talking about things like 99.9% of MS2 virus and staph aureus are captured after 60 minutes of operations on the highest fan setting. It's designed specifically for a 945 cubic feet chamber. It has not been tested with COVID-19. Reduction rate of humidity in the room shape, the size, and of course the fan speed is going to play factors to whether it gets cleaned out. But yeah, let's open this up. Let's showcase what comes inside. Yeah, and I do want to say this one does work with Alexa, which is really cool. So if you've got an Alexa in your house or even an app on your phone, you can take this unit and you can be able to say things like, hey, turn on. And Alexa will just start working on it. Here we go. Should be that in the box. It is well sealed, well protected. Thick box with thick places to keep it in its action before travel. It does appear to be in a fully sealed off plastic bag. Remove sticker before use. Before first use, remove power adapter from inside the filter. Turn the filter bottom side up to access the filter. Okay. So right here on the bottom, there's a little turn piece there. That's really cool. And then, yep, as promised, inside there, that would be the power adapter. Alright, so just place this in here, and then twist it back into place. That is solid. There's a little lock indicator here. It's hard to see because it's white on white, but that is definitely there. The adapter is incredibly simplified. It's just a proprietary plug, hole in, no USB-C or micro or anything to worry about getting damaged over use. It's just going to be just a solid plug. It's designed also to be covert. That way it's not like touching the bottom. It's going to work just fine. That plugs directly into your wall socket, and then this thing is able to turn on. I don't see any specific controls on the unit, so I'm guessing you're going to have to control this thing completely via app. Okay, so you can download the Alexa app, plug in your air purifier, add the Clorox air purifier as the device, enable the remote control, and you can try out the remote control. Things like turn on its highest setting. It has to have the Wi-Fi blue light on it to be accepting remote commands. And you can even go into the app and create routines, telling this thing when it should turn on and how it should turn on. Oh, okay. So once this thing is plugged in, apparently controls will show up here on the top. That's nice. Let's see if I can get that to show up real quick. Okay, yeah. So you can see here on the top here, you have your little Wi-Fi setting. You have your power on. You have 3 fan settings. Then you have the brightness of the display on the top. And that is right now purifying. That's great. I didn't realize it was going to be like a touch-sensitive That's cool. It's very sensitive. So it sucks in air from the bottom portion here and then pushes that up on the top. They keep turning it off. So you definitely don't want to block the side ports during its use because that pulls that air right into the filter, which you took out a second ago to get the power adapter out. And then that's going to push through the HEPA filter and then pull it back out through here, purifying, collecting anything like pollen, dust, bacteria, viruses, and expelling out the clean. So it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. We're going to set this up and then show you how it works with the app, and we'll be back. Alexa, turn air purifier on.
Okay.
Alexa, turn air purifier off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn air purifier on to max.
Okay.
Hopefully you guys found that helpful. Just remember, do not start the unit until you take the AC adapter out of the base. Well, again, thank you guys so much. We'll see you guys next time.